In this video, we're going to talk about how to use your microscope in focusing on objects. So first of all, you know this is the low power objective lens. You always want to start with that in the downward position. Here you have your microscope slide. You're either going to make a wet mount or a dry mount of the slide. So you put your specimen on the slide itself, and then if it's a wet mount, you'll add a drop or two of water, and then you put the cover slip over top. You want to put that then on the stage of the microscope and put the clamp in there so it's good to go, and kind of center that where you want it. And then what you want to do is you first want to bring the stage up as high as possible. So actually that's as low as it goes, and using the coarse adjustment I would bring it as high as possible, and then I'm going to use the fine adjustment to get it as clear as possible. Once it's as clear as possible and it is centered, sorry about the bell there, and it is centered in your image, then you want to rotate to your medium power. Now if you notice, this has gotten incredibly close to the microscope slide. So at this point, don't touch the coarse adjustment, because that's going to move the stage and you don't want to do that. Instead, you just want to use the fine adjustment. Once you get it focused and it's in center view, you can switch to the high power. For this particular class, we are not going to use this largest objective lens. We're going to stop with the blue objective lens.